In a previous video, I showed you how to create an alternative data stream. In this case, I want to actually show you a utility that can actually detect an alternative data stream. And one of the easiest tools to use is ADS Spy, which is written by Marin. And you can just do a quick scan here, all right, for Windows systems only, and just scan your hard drive and see if it detects it. Okay, you can also scan the full drive and look at it. So in this case, I've got a couple here. I've got visible.txt :hidden.txt, and it'll go ahead and run basically the whole C drive if you like. I've got one in some application data, which in this case it may or may not be legitimate use. You'd have to look, but because it's in documents and settings, all users, that would be suspicious. However, it's in the applications portion of that, so it may just be a default application. I've also got Fred cme.txt :product key.txt. I've got Fred cme.txt :tiny.exe. So I've moved Trojan into this specific location in a previous lab. I've got leo.txt tiny.exe or another rkfree.exe. And the cool part is I can actually remove the data streams here. I can calculate message digest checksums of the streams and the stream's contents. So that's a nice built-in feature to the ADS Spy for integrity reasons. Because if you're going to hide something on a system, you might as well actually prove that the hacker has integrity and actually calculates their own MD5, because you know that the forensics guy is going to. So you might as well do it for yourself. So here's just a list of just a handful of what's on here if I select a full scan for an alternative data stream. But like I said, if I did a quick scan, really didn't find anything in the current folder that I have this program running out of. So you probably want to go right to full scan anyway. Or if you know the specific folder, like the root of C drive, I don't know why anybody would want to hide something there, but you want to make it a little bit fun. Maybe hide it in System 32 or something like that. But that's it. It's just a very, very nice, easy utility, and that's ADS Spy. Can't go wrong here. So my name's Leo Draeger. Thanks for watching.